Hi everybody, this is Bupina2. Today I want to show you how to make the world's simplest ice cream. The ingredients that you need are as follows: 4 eggs, around 400 grams of double cream, 33 grams of sugar. So the step number 1 is to separate the yolk from the white. So break the egg by hitting on a flat surface and then opening it. Okay, and the yellow goes here. So turn it in the side and start whisking it. We can add a little bit sugar and continue the whisk. Add the remainder of the sugar and we continue the process. Look at how airy it is, lovely. I love it. How airy it has become. So once you reach this consistency, we need to now go and whisk the yellow one. You need to use another whisker, a new one. You should not mix them two together. So we follow the same process with the yellow one. Okay, I'm happy with the consistency now. Add the yellow into the white. After creating a whisk, next thing to do is to add the cream. So add the cream into a separate bowl. So this is our double cream, and now we need to whisk this. Oh God. And now we would add the whipped cream into our mixture. And after mixing all together, we give it a nice stir. We're looking for a perfect consistency here. It's a mixture of creamy and foamy and deliciousness. I'm happy with the consistency. Just look at it. Just see how beautiful it is. So now put the cap. So we put it in the freezer and we will come tomorrow and it should be ready. So after around 24 hours we can take our ice cream out from the fridge. Here is the ice cream. You can see I already eaten some. Let's taste some and see how tasty it actually is. I think it's the best ice cream I've ever made. Just the right amount of sugar. If you want more sugar, you can put more sugar. If you want it more even healthier, you can put honey. You can put cinnamon to give it some taste. You can put vanilla pod, cut it and put it and stir it. That makes it some more vanilla taste. So when you buy an ice cream from a supermarket, you can see how many ingredients they just put inside that. And the ice cream that I just made now had just few ingredients. That's a difference. That's a massive difference. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to share and subscribe, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.